How to log in to SolusVM control panel. Mostly in the welcome email from your hosting provider, you receive VPS login details. It includes a URL along with a username and a password. Open the URL in your internet browser and enter the username and the password to log in. That's it. From this interface, you can manage your virtual servers. You can see the status of your server, whether it is online or offline. You can see the bandwidth and memory usage. We will learn more about server management from this interface in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.